Yes. What's your name?
My name is Bruce Misra.
Where do you belong to?
I belong to Kadri Gate, Farrukhabad.
Kadri Gate, Farrukhabad. Okay. What's your father?
My father is a serviceman.
Serviceman. What do you want to be?
I want to be accountant
You want to be an accountant. Why?
because I learn commerce from my starting education. So I want to be accountant because it is beneficial for me. I read commerce and there is a account related work. So I feel that it is good for me because I can do it.
You can do it. What have you done?
I have done BCom from CSJMU.
CSJMU. And now what are you pursuing?
I'm pursuing nothing.
You are pursuing nothing. Are you doing any job?
I'm not doing job, but I learn accounts work.
Okay. So you are under practice.
Yes, I'm in practice.
You are in practice. How many members are there in your family?
There are 4 members in my family.
Okay. Who told you about American?
My best friend Harshit told me about American, and he provoked to me, you go there and you learn English skills and English language. It is very beneficial for you and your life.
Okay. So what do you think that American worked or not?
Yes, American works sure proper.
Okay. So have you learnt many things from here?
Yes, sir, I have learned many things because there I have learned how to speak to anyone English, and I learn to learn language skills and personal confidence.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies is playing cricket, playing carom.
Okay. And what is your hobby horse?
My hobby horse is playing cricket.
Is playing cricket. So do you watch cricket?
I watch cricket.
Who is your favorite Indian cricketer?
My favorite Indian cricketer is Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Do you play cricket?
Yes, I play cricket.
So where do you play?
I play cricket at Brahmdar Stadium and any fields.
Okay. So you guys play friendly match or any professional match you guys play?
Sometimes we play friendly match, and sometimes we create some tournaments and then play.
Okay. What do you say about Farrukhabad? Farrukhabad is a good city or not?
Farrukhabad is also a good city because I lived there for many times. So I think it is good.
It is good. Why Farrukhabad is famous?
Farrukhabad is famous for his potato. And
Its potato.
Its potato and namkeens and Mata Sitla Devi temple.
Okay. So the temple which you are telling is ancient.
Yes, sir. Mata Sitla Mata Mandir temple is a very ancient.
Ancient. Okay. What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is commerce.
Commerce. Okay. So what do you think that are you good at commerce?
Yes, sir. I think I am good in commerce.
You are good in commerce. Do you have account in bank?
Yes, sir. I have an account in Canara Bank.
You have an account in Canara Bank. So do you believe in saving money?
Yes, sir. I believe in saving money, and now I have a 22,000 rupees in my account.
Okay. What is more important for you, money or education?
According to me, education is more important because then you have an education, then you automatically earn money.
Okay. But if you don't have money, how will you get the education?
Yes, it is depend on condition. If they have no money, but some people provide you education, but anyone is not provide you money, but someone is provide you education.
Okay.
Then you learn education, but you don't get money.
Okay. You mean to say that without education, a person is nothing?
Nothing.
Okay. So did you used to speak English before joining American?
I used to speak English before joining to American.
So why did you join American if you used to speak English?
Then I have no any atmosphere for used to speak English.
For using English.
Yes, I use speaking English to customer care, and more important they know English. So I joined American because American provide me easy and simple tricks to how to speak English.
Okay. Do you participate in group discussion?
Yes, I also participate in group discussion.
Do you enjoy GDs?
Yes, I love GD.
You love GD. As I told you guys to come early at 7:30, so do you manage it easily?
Yes, I'm ready for come to 7:30.
For coming
7:30.
For coming at 7:30. Okay. Tell me one more thing. How long have you been living in Farrukhabad?
I have been living in Farrukhabad for 10 to 12 years.
So Farrukhabad is not your birthplace.
Farrukhabad is not my birthplace. My birthplace is Hardoi district.
District Hardoi.
Yes.
Okay. So you basically belong to district Hardoi.
Yes, sir. I basically belong to Hardoi district, but my father is here and he found a job and he make properties here, so I'm here.
Okay. What type of job your father does?
My father does do job in a sales work, a sales line, like a marketing.
What type of marketing? Marketing of medicines, marketing
of cosmetic non-food item.
Okay. So what do you say about the development of Farrukhabad? Farrukhabad is developing by and by or not?
Farrukhabad is developing by and by, but slowly. But some person is trying to develop Farrukhabad, but then some person is also break there. So Farrukhabad is developing by very slowly. But now it is going to be on developing.
Okay, but as you see that before 10 years there were no good malls and good theaters, but now one theater has also been opened in Farrukhabad, and also there are so many shopping centers such as Vishal, V-Mart, Trends. You can do shopping. Earlier people, they used to go to Kanpur to shop, but now they can shop in Farrukhabad. Easily they can shop. Even if you talk about the education is also developing of Farrukhabad.
Yes, there are developing a private sector is developed, but the government sector is not provide to anything here, because you say that private schools, private hospital, private malls, they are growing up and developing Farrukhabad, but the government sector is not support to Farrukhabad to growing up, like transport and the road, and they like street lights and ponds problems, water problems. It is not developing.
Still water problem is there in Farrukhabad.
It's a biggest problem of Farrukhabad. You know that in the when the weather is changed, then you say that there are many types of
Roads are blocked.
and the hills is coming. So there is the government problem, developing problem, but the not private.
Okay. So in short, if you say that you are not completely satisfied with the work and with the development of Farrukhabad.
Yes, I'm not satisfied because the private sector, but the government is also should be development.
There should be development in government sector. What type of government sector you are talking about?
Yes, sir, I talk about first of all, I would like to talk about PWD sector and this. And the police work, they didn't work proper.
They don't
work proper, and so I'm not satisfied.
Thank you. Chali. Nice talking to you.